Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. It's the Dyson V8 Vacuum Cleaner. But it's not a normal review, it's a 2-year review. We've had it nearly 2 years now. Why a 2-year review? Well, you guys want to know if this still performs as well as it did on day one. So let's go check it out. So one of the things that I'm keen to test is what it can pick up. So we've got a few products on the floor and let's put it to the test. So today we're going to try it out on 3 things. We're going to try it on some cereal, which can get dropped on the carpet by your children, some cake decorations, and also just with some normal carpet freshener. So let's see how we get on. Okay, so firstly we're going to go for the cereal. And that didn't really have too much problem doing that up. Next we'll go for the cake mixture. And another good result. Thirdly, we'll go for the carpet cleaner. Okay, it's fully charged. Let's go. Let's go room by room, see if the battery can last. Let's start with the stairs. So as you've seen, the battery's just run out, and I'll tell you why. If you look here, there's a power setting. We've got maximum, and if we slide it across, you've got normal. Power mode, maximum, doesn't last too long. Only lasts 7 minutes according to Dyson, which for a vacuum cleaner that cost over £200, I don't think it's very good. I really feel we need to go into this power mode more. Let's go take a look. So let me go back to this power mode. You've got normal mode and maximum mode. Now on the Dyson V8, they say the V8 will last for 40 minutes without the power head, using a creative tool or similar suction, accessories only, up to 30 minutes with the fluffy headment attached and up to 25 minutes with the traditional spinning brush. But most disappointingly, only 7 minutes on max mode. 7 minutes on max mode, which is very, very disappointing. Okay, so what do I think of the Dyson V8? You've got to remember this machine cost over £200 depending on which model you get, which is a lot of money. It only lasts 7 minutes on maximum power. I don't know about you, but when I clean a room, I want to clean on maximum power. I want it to clean every last bit and get every last ounce of dirt up. I don't want to put it on an average power mode. So that's very disappointing. Don't get me wrong, it does do the job on normal mode, but for them little harder bits to get off the carpet, you need it on maximum mode, and it's only 7 minutes. Come on Dyson, I think you can do better. It's only my opinion. Over £200 for a vacuum cleaner that lasts 7 minutes on maximum power, to me, isn't too great. But you guys make up your own minds. It does the job, it cleans well. You must remember to keep these filters clean though. Keep them clean, keep the machine clean, and you'll get maximum life out of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.